When you search for vacuum sealers, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy ads. But the truth is, the real differences matter deeply, especially when it comes to keeping your food fresh longer. Product number 1, Love Moment Mason Jar Sealer. First up is the Love Moment Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit. Priced at just $25.64. This little gadget grabbed my attention for its unique dual-mouth design that fits both wide mouth and standard mason jars. If you want to keep your pantry organized and extend the life of your food, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's an electric device that makes sealing jars easy. You just press a button, and in about 40 seconds, it removes all the air, which is crucial for preventing spoilage. This sealer is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for picnics or travel. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 18,400 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about the learning curve when first using it. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the convenience far outweighs that initial frustration. It's perfect for anyone who frequently uses mason jars and wants an easier way to store food. This is perfect for you if you love mason jars for storage. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty sealer for larger food items. At this price, it's a great value for what you get. Product number 2, Joel Swin Vacuum Sealer. Now, if the love moment size bothered you, the Joel Swin Vacuum Sealer for food might be more up your alley. At $89.99, this model boasts a powerful 130W motor that seals food 50% faster than others. If you want to save time while keeping your food fresh, this is a solid option. This vacuum sealer has a 95 kilopascal suction power, ensuring virtually no air stays in the bag. It seals dry food in just 9 seconds and moist food in 30 seconds, which is impressive. The built-in cutter means you can customize your bags without needing any scissors, which is super convenient. With a stellar rating of 4.8 stars from 268 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some users mentioned it's a bit noisy during operation. I'll be real with you, it's not silent, but it's also not a deal breaker for most. If you're in a busy kitchen, you'll appreciate its efficiency over the noise. This is perfect for you if you're looking for speed in your food storage. Skip this if you need a whisper quiet machine. It's worth every penny, especially for serious meal preppers. Product number 3, Gatsby Precision Vacuum Sealer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for those who want a bit more control. The Gatsby 95 kilopascals Precision Vacuum Sealer Machine, priced at $129.99. If you want precision and flexibility with your sealing, this is worth considering. What really caught my eye is its pulse mode control, allowing for gentle vacuuming, which is perfect for delicate foods. The double heat seal feature ensures airtight seals for both dry and moist foods, significantly reducing freezer burn. It even comes with a built-in bag cutter and storage, making it great for keeping your kitchen organized. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 1,500 reviews, it's gaining traction. The downside? Some users found it slightly bulky. Here's the thing. If you have limited counter space, it might not be the best fit. But if you have the room, the features you get are fantastic. This is perfect for you if you love cooking sous vide or want to preserve delicate items. Skip it if space is at a premium. For what it offers, it's a solid investment. Product number 4, MZROT Vacuum Sealer. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, check out the MZROT Vacuum Sealer Machine, which is just $29.99. Honestly, it's compact and lightweight, which makes it great for small kitchens. If you want fresh food without breaking the bank, this could be your best bet. The MZROT features 6 functions, including moisture detection and an easy one-touch operation. It has a powerful 75 kilopascal suction that completes vacuum sealing in just 10 seconds, extending freshness up to 8 times longer than traditional storage. It even includes a starter kit with bags, perfect for those just getting into vacuum sealing. With 4.4 stars from 783 reviews, users appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. Now, here's the catch. some users mentioned that it might not be as powerful for heavy-duty sealing. Here's my perspective. If you're mainly sealing smaller items and don't need industrial strength, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or just starting with vacuum sealing. Skip this if you plan to seal large amounts of food regularly. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Product number 5, Kikiob Commercial Vacuum Sealer. Finally, we have the Kikiob 95 kilopascals powerful commercial vacuum sealer, priced at $79.99. If you want something that feels a bit more professional, this one's a contender. It's perfect for anyone who needs to seal frequently or in larger quantities. This model features dual heat seals and 10 modes for customized sealing, which means it can handle everything from dry to moist items effectively. The one-hand lock design is a game-changer for quick use, and it'll seal in as little as 8 seconds. With a glowing 5-star rating from 28 reviews, it's clearly impressing early adopters. However, some users found it a bit larger than expected. Here's the thing. If you've got a busy kitchen and need a reliable sealer for high volume, the size becomes a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're serious about meal prep or run a small business. Skip it if you need something ultra-compact. For the quality and features offered, it's a fantastic value. So there you have it. We've covered the love moment for mason jars, the speedy Joule Swind, the precise gas buy, the budget-friendly MZROT, and the commercial-grade Kikiob. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. Whatever you choose, sealing your food will be a breeze.